In this lesson, we will be discussing the RS function block. This is also referred to as the reset dominant flip-flop. The student is expected to learn how the RS function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the truth table, output is a logic true if set 01 is a logic true, and it will retain output logic even if set 01 has changed to false, as long as reset 01 input is a logic false. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the truth table. If we make set 01 to logic true, the output is a logic true. If we make set 01 to logic false, the output is retained at logic true. If we make reset 01 to logic true, the output is a logic false. If we make reset 01 and set 01 to logic true, the output is a logic false, because this is a reset dominant flip-flop. To recap, output is a logic false if reset 01 and set 01 is a logic true.